Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I just wanted to do a very quick share of this bag that I picked up. It's from Dooney and Burke and it is called the Small Brenna, Brenna. I picked this bag up because I wanted something with this like in this pattern and in this color, and I honestly love Dooney and Burke's leather. I love the smell of leather, and I just feel like their quality leather in general is just one of the best out there. So anyway, I picked this bag up and I've been in this bag for about 2 days, but I am going to be switching out to a new bag. So I just wanted to do a very quick video on this bag just in case, any of you guys want to, see what fits or, whatnot. But this is the small size, but in my opinion, it's still pretty spacious. It still fits quite a bit. I'm just going to go ahead and give you guys like a quick little overview. I don't have much in here because again, I was only in it for about 2 days, but it still fits a lot more. It is a little bit on the heavier side, I think, just because again of the leather, but it's not something you can't, like tolerate, having like on your shoulder or whatnot. It is a top handle, but it does come with a very, very large adjustable strap. And I apologize for the background noise, but I do have my windows open, so sorry about that. But yeah, it comes with this adjustable strap that you can make smaller, longer, so take it off because it is removable. So it's very, easy and functional in that sense. So let's go ahead and just get started. First thing I have are my keys. You guys have seen these before. Only thing new here is this little keychain that I added with this little green little clear bear. And then I do have my Victoria's Secret little like key fob holder. So I have that one. Next thing I have is also, this is my wallet. It is a flat, let me just make sure nothing is peeking out here. It doesn't need to, but it is my wallet that I am currently in. Has all of the card slots, and it has some slots here, and then it does have a zipper here where you can put some cash. And I got this from, I think, Marshall's or TJ Maxx, and it is an all leather wallet. I forget what the brand is. Thacker is the brand, I believe. That's what it says inside. So very nice wallet, and I don't know, I just thought the colors kind of went with the bag. So that's my wallet. I also added, this is like my little bag in here right now. I just have my compact in this pocket. And in here I have some of my lipsticks that I like, to use during the week. But like I said, I was only in this bag for about 2 days. And then some gum in there. And this little bag I actually got from Temu. And yeah, I really like it. It looks like leather, but it's not. So there's that. Then these are my AirPods that I'm in right now. This is like the little case, which I thought was super cute. And this I got from, I think, Shein. Might have been Shein. Yeah, I think it was Shein. But yeah, these are just my little AirPod cases or case. Then I have this super adorable little backpack keychain. It kind of has like that Louis Vuitton, feel to it. And this is just my little snack bag. Have my little candies as usual, hauls and stuff like that. But I think this is so adorable, and I got this off of, I'm pretty sure this was from Temu. It was a couple dollars, but yeah, I got that. And then I have this little fuzzy bag. This is from XOXO. I got this from Ross, And it is a clutch. You can remove this, but I didn't take it off. And this is kind of just serving as my little catch-all. We have some more gum, my lotion. Like I said, I was only in this bag for 2 days, so I literally just transferred everything from my Amazon bag, the Marc Jacobs like dupe bag. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. So a lot of that stuff just got transferred into this bag. But that's the little clutch. Super adorable. Fits a ton. But like I said, I just wanted to do the video on the bag, so just a super quick video for you guys. So that's that. And that's actually all that I have in here. As you guys can see, the bag is completely empty. This bag inside has a pocket. I don't know if you guys can see here. A pocket here. It has a zipper pocket. If you turn it around, it does come with another pocket here where you can put like a cell phone or something. It does have your little, you know, key finder thing. I forget what these are called. And then we have the 2 pockets. So we have this pocket. These pockets are a little interesting though, because as you guys can see how this is just a shape. This is how all of these type of bags are in this style. So you can fit things like on the side like this, or you could leave it open. My cell phone fits perfectly fine in here. I have the iPhone 13 and I could still close this. And the same thing goes for this side. You have the same type of style bag, little pocket there, if you will. And then this one does come with the little charm hanging here, which I really appreciate. And it does have feet at the bottom. So like I said, it does fit quite a bit. It is, again, a little bit heavy even without anything in it, just because of the leather. But again, it comes with a top handle and that crossbody strap if that's how you choose to use it. So I hope you guys found this video interesting. Like I said, it was just a quick little share. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it. We're very close to hitting 1,000 subscribers. So please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, share, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.